Welcome to Bonita Farm and Villas.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Alright, so it's the long weekend ngayong August. Medyo maraming long weekend since dalawa actually magkasunod at pumatak ng Monday. So we took advantage of it para lang to spend time, of course, with the family. At sayang naman kasi. So this time we went to Batangas to a resort, a farm resort called Bonita Farm and Villas. Yan. So basically the idea is, as the name suggests, it's a farm, tapos may mga villas, then you get to spend that farm life, no? So actually it will take about 3 hours of trip, land trip. At hindi kami masyadong nahirapan because what we did, we went on a Friday morning, mga 11 o'clock. Then dumating kami sa venue dito sa resort na mga around 4:30 PM. So what we did, since Tagaytay naman ang daan, doon na kami nag-pit stop, nag-lunch na kami doon. Then afternoon, yun na, dire-diretso na, bababa na ng Sugbo, then all the way to Lian and to Calatagan. So basically, when I saw Lian and Calatagan, it's a beautiful place. Parang compared to the other Batangas popular area like San Juan and Laia, ibang-iba siya. Kasi mas subtle, mas tahimik, mas konti yung mga sasakyan. So ang daming farmlands, ang daming rice fields, may mountain scenery din. So it's just different from the usual Batangas route that we are used to. Yun nga, as mentioned, San Juan and Laia. So for me, ang ganda nun kasi mas relaxing. Siyempre, mas walang tao. So going here, walang stress, hindi stressful. It was an easy trip actually. Talagang diretso lang, konting liko lang. So I enjoyed the trip. Tapos yun, you will get to the area in Calatagan where the farm is. But take note lang, medyo may rough road ng konti going inside the farm. So talagang medyo, siguro mga 250 meters of rough road na dadaanan nyo. So kahit ako nagulat doon. Tapos the road is kinda wet pa since it's raining. Just be mindful of that. So kung masyadong mababa yung sasakyan nyo, think twice. So buti na lang malaki-laki yung sasakyan dala namin. So yun lang, medyo may rough road ng konti siya. So medyo nakakatakot. But the access nga, yung talagang tagu siya. Talagang hindi siya nasa main road. Talagang you will take a left. Tapos yun na, makikita mo medyo lubog na siya, medyo liblib na siya. Which makes the feel a bit more intense, no? Talagang mas more feeling mo talagang outside the metro ka. Talagang rural na rural yung place. Kasi nga talagang liblib siya. So the place itself, it's actually 3 hectares big. So malaki-laki yung farm. So yung staff, may mga staff na mag-a-attend sa inyo, don't worry. As soon as na magpasok yun ng gate, tatakbo na yung mga staff nila to assist you. So great service, no? The service is really great. Tapos tutulungan kayo with unloading, tapos dadalhin na kayo sa villa na kinuha nyo. Yan. So yun ang one of the amenities is yung animal feeding nila, which makes it the feel yung farm life na since may animal. At saka minsan yung horses nila, pinakakawalan lang nila. So yun ang isa pinunta namin para makapag-animal feeding si Anika, yung anak namin. So basically the villas, I think they have 4 villas. We availed the Ipugo Villa, which we are staying right now. It's their most iconic villa kasi it has the best view among the villas. So the villa it has its own pool na pang adults. So kaya kinuha din namin para makapag-swimming kami, of course, lalo na si baby. So the place can accommodate up to 4 packs. So ideal siya for a small group, barkada, small family like us, yan. Tapos again, as mentioned, it has the best view of the farm. Makikita mo yung field right in front of you. Tapos it has 2 beds upstairs. Malinis, maganda lahat. Then mayroong siyang bathroom sa baba. Malaki yung bathroom niya actually, maganda, naka-tile. But the only problem is sa akin is yung the toilet is kind of small, the toilet bowl. That's it. Tapos may heater, malakas yung heater niya. So makakaligo ka comfortably. Yan. Tapos, ayan, meron din siyang terrace where the pool is infinity pool. Tapos, at night, napakaganda ng place dahil it's well lighted. Kahit yung pool, maganda yung lights. So, it will just give you that relaxing vibe. Tapos, just to chill out, to hang out, to swim, of course. Tapos, with the view of the field. Yan. Kaya ito yung in-avail namin. And the price for this villa is really not expensive. Maybe, hindi nga aabot ata ng 15,000 ang binayaran namin per day. So, we stayed on Friday. Then, ngayon, it's a Sunday, aalis na kami. So, that's short of a trip only. So, for me, the price is really, it's value for money. Kasi hindi nga siya that expensive. So, hindi nga aabot na again ng 15,000 and you get this type of villa. Yung style niya is like a kubo style na medyo modern, very relaxing. May aircon sa taas, may TV, may ref. May water dispenser, then may service. Meron silang walkie-talkie. If you need the service, just tawagan nyo na walkie-talkie tapos tatakbo na dito yung mag-serve sa inyo. So, hassle-free. So, the other villas, I think they have 4 villas. Merong isang malaking villas. If you are a big group of 10 packs or more, 12 yun. Avail nyo yun. Tapos meron ding pang couple, pang 2 persons lang. So, pang girlfriend, pang boyfriend, pang bagong mag-asawa. Yun, I guess that's perfect for that. Tapos, meron pa silang ito, Ipugo, the iconic villa. Then, meron pa yatang isa. So, yun lang, konti lang yung villas niya. So, kaya the place is not really crowded. Kahit na if it's all of the villas are occupied, bihira kayo magkita ng mga guests. So, there's a lanay also. Yun yung main dining room nila. It's just a couple of yards away from our villa. So, andun yung internet access. Dito kasi sa mga villa, wala silang internet access. Yun yung isang downside lang. But the signal of the cellphone is malakas naman. So, if you have data, you're good. But like me, if wala, you have to go to the lanay kasi nandun yung wifi nila, malakas naman dun. Tapos, one of the great features din ng farm resort na to is sa eating area. When it's time for you to eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner, talagang guys, sineset nila. Yung lanay, if you can see from the videos, it's a very nice area where you can dine. Sobrang ganda. Tapos, the setting is parang nasa kasal ka. Wala akong masabi doon. Even my wife nagulat, nagustuhan niya. Kasi mahilig sa mga setting yun. So, the setting is really perfect. It's really beautiful. It's well organized. Again, ang feel mo parang nasa kasal ka. Then you're in a farm. So, napakagandang experience na bibigay sa'yo. Of course, they do serve Filipino dishes. Since, again, nasa Batangas tayo. Everything is pre-ordered. So, before kayo pumunta rito, papa-orderin na kayo sa Manila kung ano yung gusto nyo para they can prepare. Tapos, yun. Talagang, so every time na kakain kami, be it breakfast, doon kami when we got here last Friday, doon kami nag-dinner. So, tapos doon kami doon din kami nag-breakfast. Tapos yung kahapon dinner, dito na kami nag-dinner sa villa. Again, kahit sa villa, siniset nila, may table kasi dito, as you can see, where I'm shooting right now. Lilinisin nila lahat yan, tapos mag-set din ulit sila, tapos kung in-order nyo, di-deliver nila dito, tapos there's a server waiting for you, just in case you need anything, nag-aantay lang sila doon, sa gilid. So, again, so every time nakakain ka, may excite ka, kasi nga, you're curious about the setting, ang itsura ng setting na ibibigay nila. So, sobrang saya namin doon. So, that's a great amenity na ibibigay sa inyo ng place is yung when it's time to eat. Yung dining area nila, yun lang yung napakaganda. So basically that's it for the farm, yung amenities nila. So kahapon, was a Saturday, meron din silang isang amenity which you can avail. Kasi a couple of minutes away from here, a couple of kilometers away from here, sa Calatagan nga, meron din silang resort. So may sandbar doon na pwede nyo puntahan. So in-avail namin yun. We paid 4,500 for it. Parang the style is, there's a balsa. Tapos doon na kayo, the whole day. The balsa can accommodate about to 10 people, packs. Tapos the idea is, hihilain siya ng a small boat, then dadalhin na kayo doon sa venue. There's a big sandbar in the area. Everyone's going there. So lahat ng resort, pinadala nila yung mga guests nila doon to enjoy and spend quality time. So yun yung kinuha namin. So the rate would be 4,500 all in na. Tapos yung pagkain, nag-order na lang kami dito sa villa. Tinanong nila anong gusto namin, then dala na namin yun. Tapos someone will guide you to the place. Tapos yun na, dire-diretso na yun. Sasakay na kayo ng balsa. The boat trip will take you about maybe 15 minutes kasi mabagal lang siya since hinihila nga. Tapos yun, dadalhin na kayo dun sa sandbar. Of course, the sand, when you get there, medyo maraming tao nga since lahat nandoon. Pero okay lang actually. Nagulat ako. I enjoyed my time yesterday there. May mga nagbebenta naman doon just in case na naubusan kayo like me. I bought some beer dahil naubos na yung wine. Tapos pwede rin kayo magluto sa balsa. Merong ihawan yung mga balsa nyo. Tapos you can stay there for as long as you want. So yun ang sulit doon. So kaya kung titingnan nyo, yung mga balsa puno ng mga families. Tapos they just spend the whole day there. Tapos sakto pa, when we got there, it was raining, pero huminto na rin. So, sakto lang, there's no sun. Very gloomy, very windy. Kaya nag-enjoy din ako, pati si baby. So, pero yung sun, hindi siya ganun kapino compared sa Boracay or to Bohol or to Palawan. But then, white sand naman siya. So, punta ko nag-enjoy kasi may makikita ka rin mga tao, tapos malinis naman yung place. Hindi naman siya magulo. Well organized. It's kept really clean. Tapos yun, just relax. Tapos, spend the whole day if you want dahil sulit na sulit yung bayad, yung 4,500 na binayaran yung sulit na sulit. So, hanggang sawa na. In our case, 2 o'clock umalis na kami since parang uulan na naman. So, sulit na sa amin yun. I really enjoyed my time there. Surprisingly, nag-beer lang ako, nag-wine, then we ate. Tapos, yun, we went back here. Dito na kami nag-dinner sa villa. Tapos, dito na rin nila sinet yung dinner namin. So, it was amazing, no? The whole trip was really amazing. Kasi uso ngayon mga farm resorts. And ito is just one spectacular resort. It's very intimate, very relaxing if you want to unwind, if you want to detach yourself from the metro, if you want to get that absolute serenity, this place is perfect for you. It's actually value for money. Sa lahat ng napuntahan namin mga places ng Mrs., isa to sa magtatap locally. So I'm really happy about this place na nakuha namin, and hopefully na-inspire kayo to go to visit Calatagan. There's a lot of other resorts here. So thank you, and hope you enjoyed our videos.